Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will cook some chicken liver with the pomegranate molasses. And here are the ingredients: half cup of pomegranate molasses, half cup of olive oil, and half kilo of chicken liver, and salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. And let's start cooking. First, heat the olive oil in a frying pan. Then add the chicken liver and leave it to cook. And now add the all ingredients: the garlic powder, the black pepper, and the salt. Then stir it and leave it until the water is absorbed by the chicken liver. Now, as you can see, our chicken liver is already done. Finally, add the pomegranate molasses and simmer in 2 minutes. This is the first time I cook chicken liver with a pomegranate sauce, and so guys, it's very delicious. And I hope you enjoyed my recipe for today. And now it's ready to serve, and let's eat. Thanks for watching guys.